Yawning is definitely contagious. Watching somebody yawn and even talking about it can give you the urge to yawn. You're probably doing it right now. It's an interesting fact that it's not just humans that yawn. Animals like fish and even ants yawn. Us humans yawn when we're tired or bored, and some experts believe it helps us to stay awake or remain alert. Many people think we yawn to get additional oxygen from the air into the body. However, studies carried out show that people in a room with less oxygen yawned just as much as people in a room with lots of oxygen. Another theory suggests that our early ancestors used it as part of their social behaviour and to help them bond as a group. When one member of the group yawned, they were sending a message to others that it was time to sleep. And others yawned in response to show they agreed. If you have any questions for me, or would just like to find out more, send an email to the address on your screen now. See you next time.